Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Venmo. So for us to actually transfer money from Wells Fargo to Venmo, we could actually use the Venmo application itself. So you just need to have your banking information in order for you to proceed. Now, to get started, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Venmo application. Now, from the main menu of Venmo is you want to look for the Me tab by clicking on the picture or your initials in the main home screen. So you'll see initials if you haven't added your picture, or your picture itself, you need to click on that. Now, once you click on the pictures or initials and the Me tab, the next thing you want to do is you want to look for the wallet section and just click on it. Now, once you click on that, the next thing that you'll need to find is the add a bank or card option. So once you click on that, you just need to select bank and you just need to enter your banking information for Wells Fargo. So once you've entered your information, make sure that this information are correct. You just need to select the preferred verification method for your account. Now, once you've done that, you are now ready to use your bank account or your linked bank account. Now, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to actually add money to your Venmo account. So to do that, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and look for the Me tab again and just tap on the Manage Balance in the wallet section that you see on the UI. Now from there, you just need to follow the following. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look for the Add Money button and just click on it. Now from there, you need to look for the bank or debit card option. And from there, you just need to enter the amount that you wish to cash in and choose what is the funding source you want to use. So the funding source is gonna be Wells Fargo. Make sure that you select that. Now from there, you just need to click on the add button that you see on your screen, and you have now added or cashed in from your account or your bank account. So you do have to remember that there's no way for you to cancel once you've started the transaction. Also, a fun tip, you don't have to have any money in your Venmo account itself. You could use the link account or bank on your Venmo to make transfers to other Venmo users, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.